Yo, what's up, ladies and gentlemen? It's your boy LB and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I just want to show you how to create this growing rotoscope effect inside After Effects. Stick around. So now I just want to drag my clip here on this timeline. So this is the clip which I'm going to use. So now duplicate your clip by using Ctrl+D and right click here on it, and then go here to rename. This first clip, let me rename it as Rotoscope, and this second one, let me rename it as a background. Okay, that's cool. So now double click here on this first layer, and then you have to move this blue line on this beginning of this clip, and then go here on this roto brush tool. So now I'm going to mask, it's like to mask this subject. Okay, so I have to mask this subject well as I can. So make sure, guys, if you are masking anything, just you have to mask it well. So now, this is done, guys. Okay, so now I'm going to play my clip. Okay, so and you have to make sure when you are playing your clip, this mask, it will be track this subject. Okay, okay, guys, I have to wait a few little bit. You see, this roto line is tracking my subject. Okay, well done. Okay, so now I'm done to using this roto. So now back here on the composition, and then so as you see, I mute this background. You see how my subject is only. Okay, so now let me enable this background. Okay, so now click here on layer, and then click here on auto trace, and then you have to choose this work area, and then this pixel must be 0. So wait a few little bit. Okay, that's great. So now I'm going to duplicate this rotoscope layer. Okay, it's done. Go on effect, and then search the effect called Serber, and then drag it here on this second layer. Okay, so guys, as you see here, my Serber effect is over there. Okay, so now click here on this second layer, and then come here on Serber effect settings, open up this customize color, and then choose this layer mask. Automatically this Serber, it will affect how my subject I have been masked. Okay, so guys, this is perfect. So after this, I'm going to balance this color size, glow bears, glow speed, intensity of this Serber effect. Okay, so you can do whatever you want, just you have to balance it well. Whatever you can, whatever you want. Okay, so on this enable glow here, you can choose any Serber effect you want. So now, as you see here, I choose the fuel. You can choose this haze, you can choose this mist. Guys, you can choose any Serber effect you want. Here there is so many effects you want. So this is fire, guys. This fire too is cool, but me, I choose this mist. I'm going to use this mist Serber. Okay, so this is cool. This is how my effect it is. Okay, so and open up this second layer, and then open up this transform. Open this effect, and then open this Serber effect, and then open up this customer color. So now I'm going to animate this Serber effect. So now I have to jump like a few frames. Okay, so now I'm going to use and offset. Okay, so I have to add a 100 here, and then I have to add a keyframe, and then back here on the beginning of my clip. So now I have to add 0. Okay, so when I play the saber, it will start animating, but it is too fast. Just I can increase the distance between those two keyframes. Okay, so let me play how it is. Yeah, okay, this is how my saber effect is animating. Okay, yeah, this is on the beginning of my clip. So now I'm going to animate it again at the end of this clip. Okay, so yeah, let me start it by here on this blue line. So I have to use this start offset. Okay, so now I have to add the keyframe by 0. So now then jump the last frames on the end of this clip, and then I have to add a 100. Okay, so the saber is disappeared. So now let me play it. Let me see how it is. Yo, this is how my saber effect is animating, guys. This is so cool. This is so perfect. Okay, yeah. So now let me close this layer. So, and then I have to enable this background, guys. Okay, so I enable this background, but I don't see my background. Okay, so now I'm going to enable this background. So by coming here on these render settings, so now I have to choose these composite settings to transparent. So you see how my effect is. Guys, this is how you can make this growing rotoscope effect. Not very complicated, just take your time. If you like my video, guys, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and drop your comment down below. I just want to know what you think, if it is good or if it is bad. But this video, I know, is very helpful to you guys. See you next video. Peace.